What up, Facebook? This the Misfit, aka Miss Britt. Just came through to hit y'all with a video, show y'all a little bit of something of what I've been working on recently. I know I keep my notes, full, keep poetry posted, keep my status cracking, but I figured what a better way to do this than to give y'all a video. I have not perfected this video thing, so if it's whack, let me know so that I can work on it. I did not memorize the piece I'm gonna spit, but hey, that's what paper and pen are for. So it go a little something like this. See, I ain't never been a fake and I ain't never been a phony. Been through some situations, so I'm nothing like the old me. But old B was only too far ahead of her times. Too talented with the pen, they wasn't ready for my rhymes. Switched it up, slowed it down, and now it's my time. On a mission to make millions, I got money on my mind. I think dollars, cause what sense do it make to aim for lesser when I know I'm worth more? I done did this before, I don't need no help. See, I done did this before, I don't need no help. I'm so sick when I spit that I'm bad for your health. I'm so sick when I spit that I kill myself. I'm the shit, I'm that bitch, yeah, I feel myself. My demeanor meaner than these self-proclaimed divas. Sasha Fierce, but this be buzzing on some misfit shit. Ain't no squares in my circle. You can try any angle, but you can't move me, bitch. Sitting on my throne, feeling right at home. I'm in this shit. Call me Uranus, but I live on Mars. Getting Jupiter love in a sea full of stars. My bar's so potent, I can open your mind while teasing your body. And I hardly showing you what I got, and I already got you hot, got your ears open, hoping that my play on words, the way I play with verbs, continues to get better, murdering any competitor. I can slay them with every letter, MZBRIIT, and I be resting on a cloud high above you fucks, coming down for conversation and I go back up.